I'm living in the river. I knocked on their window like I was the police. None of the neighbors here know it's flooding. Oh, you know what? There's a brand new place set up around the corner. Let's go look at it. Wow. Wow. It's starting to flood in places I've never seen it flood. Wow. There's a brand new place set up around the corner here, and it's 6 feet off the ground. Now I bet if the people are there, I wonder if they know it's flooding in their yard. Look at this. This place is brand new. Brand new. Just got set up within the last 2 weeks. The yard's flooded, and of course it's 5.5, 6 feet off the ground. Look at that. I know it's dark. Let me see if I can turn my light on. No, that ain't working. Look at this. That's a brand new place set up over there. It's running through like a river. We got flooding. I might as well go park in the high land. It's like we're having a hurricane without the wind.